Hi guys, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. This is the Limassol, Cyprus, the marina. I am here in this port where you can find the beautiful luxury speedboats and yacht. This is all for sale and for rent. Limassol is one of the tourist area here in Cyprus, and you can see this old type boat. This is like a fishing boat, and you can find here coffee shops, restaurant, and hotel apartments right here. You can see this it's like a Venice style. Look at here, it's like a Venice style. The boat will, I think the boat can pass by in here down. So tatawid muna ako. I will just cross this small bridge here. This is a small bridge from here, look. And this one here is a restaurant on my right side of this building. That is the view of the luxury yacht and speedboats. Luxury. And this one, so beautiful. This one is one of the luxurious speedboats or yacht. So guys, if you like this vlog, Rafthelsavlogs tour in Cyprus, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Rafthelsavlogs. I just travel here in Cyprus just to do vlogging, to share my travel vlogs to everyone in YouTube. So a lot of tourists still coming in this time because the weather here is still warm and you can enjoy swimming in the beach. So there are beautiful plants here. Look at here. The sunrise is so beautiful. I mean the sunset. I like this one, oh, very beautiful color, gray. So a lot of tourists are still coming this time. Marami pang mga tourists dito, guys. Bukas sasakay ako dyan, guys. Magre-renta ako ng speedboat. Mag water adventure, sea adventure. The beautiful sunset is there.
When we did go, we ended up having to go with a speed. Yeah.
The 8 minutes. Malapit na mag-8. Marami pang mga turista dito, guys. The Yacht Club.